It's big, it's luxurious, it's technically a Sangyong and it replaces the XUV 500 as Mahindra's range topper. The Mahindra Alturas G4 is the big new Mahindra on the block and it takes on the Toyota Fortuner, Ford Endeavour, Isuzu MU-X and the Skoda Kodiaq. What does it do that its rivals don't? Are there any gaps in the package and should you buy the Alturas G4? All the answers coming your way on CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. Love the Badi Gadi experience? The Alturas G4 won't disappoint. It's the widest and tallest car among its direct rivals and even has a larger wheelbase than the rest. What's more striking though is how the Alturas pulls off plus-sized and classy so well. It's a car that can easily play bully on the road but is also a great car to turn up in when you got those boardroom meetings to attend. The original king of Mahindras, the XUV 500, set a high standard when it came to offering a feature-loaded package. The Alturas G4 takes things to a new level altogether. Ready? Here's what this SUV comes equipped with. HID headlamps, LED fog lights with the cornering functions, ambient mood lighting, an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat with memory, a sunroof, ventilated front seats, dual zone climate control, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, cruise control, and a power tailgate with hands-free assist. It's not just about comfort and convenience. The Alturas G4 is loaded with safety tech as well. Highlights include 9 airbags, the highest in the segment by the way, ESP, active rollover protection, hill descent control and hill hold, brake assist, traction control, ISOFIX, front and rear parking sensors and a surround view camera. There's no two ways about it. The Mahindra Alturas G4 doesn't just feel premium, it feels luxurious. The classy interior layout, the soft touch material on the door pad and dashboard, and just how rock solid everything you touch feels, it's a feeling that can't be justified in a video. You have to experience it to appreciate it. But if you love the old school Mercedes-Benz experience, this is an SUV that delivers. The Alturas G4 may be about delivering the segment above experience of luxury, but it is a true blue SUV. Not only is it built on a tough ladder frame chassis, it comes with a proper 4x4 system with 4 high and 4 low modes, complemented by safety features like hill descent control and the 360-degree camera. What's more, at 244mm, the Alturas G4's ground clearance isn't just higher than its rivals, it's actually more than the Sangyong Rexton. Mahindra has raised the Alturas ground clearance specifically for the Indian market, which does aid the off-road credentials. Add to that the 2.2-litre diesel engine that offers strong low-rev torque, and you got something that will be relaxing to drive in the city and capable enough when you're in the mood for a little adventure. Luxury is nothing without ride comfort, and fortunately, the Alturas G4 does well in this department as well. The low-speed ride is very comfortable and the SUV brushes off bad roads and poorly paved paths without a fuss. So that's where the new Mahindra Alturas excels. Now it's time to see where it could have been better. While the Alturas' low-speed ride is comfortable, the high-speed ride just doesn't feel as planted as it should in a machine this big. Hit a bump or an uneven section at highway speeds and the ride in the Alturas tends to get quite bouncy. Mahindra raised the ground clearance of the Alturas G4 versus the global spec Rexton by nearly 40mm, and that has taken its toll on the high-speed behavior. There's also a noticeable amount of body roll through corners, so be assured, this doesn't just look like a big and brawny SUV, it behaves like one too. The third row seat base in the Mahindra Alturas G4 sits on the floor, which is way too low for adults to sit in comfortably. Your knees will point up, your thighs won't have adequate support, and the glass area in the last row is small, so this is a place best left to children. The Toyota Fortuner, for example, does a better job of seating adults in the last row. The Alturas G4 is offered in two variants, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. You'd expect the 2-wheel drive version to miss out on the 4-wheel drive tech, of course, but it loses many features as well. For example, the 2-wheel drive Alturas gets halogen projector headlights instead of HIDs. It does not get the LED fog lights with cornering function. The driver's seat won't go back automatically to make access easier. There's no ambient lighting, no sunroof. The rear power windows won't get the auto up-down function. No auto wipers or auto headlamps. It gets a 3.5-inch monochrome driver information system instead of the 7-inch color display in the Alturas 4x4. No surround view camera, no memory function for the driver's seat, and only dual front airbags. Sure, the Alturas 2-wheel drive is 3 lakhs cheaper than the 4-wheel drive, but this is still an SUV that costs 27 lakh ex-showroom. So many omissions in a car this expensive? It's simply too hard to digest. It's not just the 2-wheel drive version that misses out on many features. There are some feature differences in between the Alturas G4 and the global spec SsangYong Rexton. There's a larger 9.2-inch touchscreen that's available overseas, and top spec also gets a 10-speaker Infinity sound system that would offer better sound quality than the current 6-speaker setup. It also misses out on an auto-dimming interior rearview mirror, something the XUV 300 offers, along with some radar-based safety technologies like lane departure warning, smart high beam assist, forward collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, and lane change assist. There's no doubt that the Mahindra Alturas G4 is an SUV worth buying. However, it is an SUV that focuses on delivering the experience of luxury, with the 7-seater capability being more of a bonus. So if you want a big SUV that can pamper you and shower you with opulence, the Mahindra Alturas G4 is definitely worth a look. But at its price, the 2-wheel drive variant misses out on too much, so get the 4-wheel drive variant for the features, if not for the off-road capability. Don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.